Hello, my name is Alberto Felix and I will teach you how to do something basic in Python. What we do is a converter from inches to centimeters. We will start by writing the print function to send a message to the person who wants to do the conversion. In this case, it would be hello, welcome to the inch converter centimeters. All this between parentheses and quotes. Then we will send another message in the same way, but this one will say write the number of inches you want to convert. After this, what we will do is create our variables and give them numerical input to our code so that the person who is going to use the converter can enter numbers. We write inches equal sign input and a parenthesis. Then we write inches equal sign float and inches in parentheses. Then we will give you the conversion data, so we write centimeters equal sign inches multiplication sign, and now we will put the number of centimeters that is equal to an inches. Finally, we just have to put some message on the screen to give them the conversion. Then we write print inches, enter, and here we put our already created variable inches separated by a comma. Then in the other message we write centimeters, comma, and we put our variable centimeters. Once our code is finished, we only have to test it.